I got some goodies from Japan, so let's open that and see what there is. One thing I have to say about the stuff that I have ordered from Japan is that these packages are always very nicely packed. It really looks like they really care about the products that they sell. So this is from RHD Japan. So I realized that you couldn't see anything from the unboxing. So yeah, it was the Blitz cold air intake kit for the crown. This looks pretty good. Here is some installing stuff. The housing for the original mass airflow sensor, and also some brackets to install the filter to that housing. And there is also some kind of heat slash air shield, so you get mostly the cold air for the filter, which is always wanted. One thing about Blitz, I really enjoy the brand. I have always liked them. They do pretty much everything in the motorsport section. As a kid, I used to play Gran Turismo on the PSP, the PlayStation Portable, and one of my favorite cars used to be in that game the Blitz Nissan Skyline R34. And yeah, it really got in my head the Blitz brand, and I really like the livery on that car also. And yeah, it's nice to have something from them on my own car finally. So let's go and install this next. Okay, let's start with removing the old stock intake box, and then we can install the new filter. I think we need to take this off. Let's do that. Then we need to take the box and the hose out of there. Is it coming or not? Take this. Here is some modifications that I need to make to the intake box because of the Phoenix radiator. It's already loose. Yes, we got the sensor installed. don't know if this fits with the thicker radiator. But it should, I think it should be here. Yeah. Let's remove this bracket so we can get the blade underneath it. Yep. Yeah, I think it should fit there. There was some instructions with the intake kit, but there wasn't any pictures and it was all in Japan. So that really didn't help. I can read some katakana and hiragana, but not that well. The heat shield fits there, but I had to bend it a little from here because the radiator is thicker than the original. So it's meant to be with the original system. No. I need to bend this a little more. Yeah, now it won't touch anything. I think the other bracket also fits to this bolt, so let's remove it. That goes there. And this must go here. We have some clearance issues, but I think we'll... Well, this is obviously this way. I don't think this bracket is mandatory, but it's always better to have it if possible. It could be here. Well, let's install the filter first and then see if it will fit. And if this comes around here, I was thinking if the sensor should be like this. Well, you could rotate the thing like you want, but here is only one bolt for the bracket, so if we want to fit the bracket, then it needs to be like this or like this with the blade other way around. I think it's close. Yeah, it should go there. Okay, and then if we can use the wire. No, we can't. We need to fit the plate other way around so we can get the sensor to the other side. Now I flipped the sensor that it's on the underside, and now I think we should be pretty close. Just can I or can I not? That's this wire. I don't know where it should go. Like this. There's no way to get that home. I think we go without the holder bracket. I hope this fits. Yeah, nice. That's good. I'm not exactly sure where should I fit this hose, but maybe one zip tied it here, and well, I don't think it needs any more. I think that's good enough. Next thing is to start it up and let's hear how it sounds now. That's the most important thing. So the car is now warm, so let's see. Now that the intake is done, let's move on to the exhaust side. I have already jacked up the car, so let's see if we can remove the rear muffler at least. I hope you can see, but these muffler bolts are already very rusty, and last time I visited here I tried to open them without any proper tools and it really didn't do anything to them. So let's try it now with some better tools and hope I can open up these bolts. They look so bad. Nope. Okay. It's so painful to remove this without any heat, and since they are looking so bad, maybe I'll just work on them when I get the car to the lift, where I can use some better tools and have a better position to work on this. Maybe I'll try if I can open up the middle part so I can test it. So I checked the middle connection part of the exhaust system and it was as rusty as the rear one, so I will not bother with that right now. I will remove it and make some custom exhaust when I get the car back to the road and on the lift, because it's much easier on the lift, and in the workshop I have some heat and other tools to help with that, so I will do that later. But in the meantime I installed my license plates. For the rear I used the frame like I planned and just used some double-sided tape to attach it to the car, and I think for the rear the frame is perfect, and because I have some stickers and it gives some color to the back. In the front I also used some double-sided tape, and here is one block behind this, like just to give it some support so it doesn't bend, and then tape here and there and also here. And yeah, the plates really make the car perfect for me. They are so nice to have. It's a small detail, but it really matters. So that's all for today. In the next episode I will be installing the steering wheel to the car, and I think that's pretty much it for this off season, and I'm a little bit bummed out from the exhaust, but it's better to open it with some better tools in the workshop with lift, so yeah. So thanks for watching, and let's see you in the next episode, which will come, I don't know when, but hopefully soon.